Hello YouTube, Trash Tech is back with another great video, and today's video is about a slow Google Chrome on your computer. The Google Chrome that you are using is disturbing you with being slow or corrupting. So on today's video I have a solution for you. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Let's see what are the basic solutions for a slow Google Chrome. So first, let's see what if the problem is related with our computer. So the first solution is cleaning temporary files from your computer. So to clean those temporary files, you will type here on the search box, run. Type run here and enter. Then when the run dialog box comes, type here clean mgr. Clean mgr, then select OK. So after you type clean mgr here, the disk clean drive selection will comes to your computer, and already my operating section or operating system section is already selected. Then I will hit the OK button. Then it will start cleaning to those data which are related with temporary files that are making busy of my computer or your computers. It will make busy. Those temporary files are making your computer busy, and it helps to not to work perfectly on your computer. So here it's showing me the different files that are disturbing my computer. So I will select each of them or each check boxes to remove those unnecessary or temporary files. As you can see here, temporary files, recycle bins, any data that are not good for the speed of your computer should have to be removed. Then hit the OK button. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yes, of course, because they are making busy my computer. So it's cleaning all the viruses or the unnecessary files on your computer. Okay, here the cleaning function is over. So the computer is free from temporary files, so it supports Google Chrome to work perfectly. Then the other solution which helps your Google Chrome to work perfectly is removing all IP related data. So type here on the search box, which is CMD. Here you type, I type CMD, then here the command prompt opened, then right click on it and run as administrator. Then it will ask me, select yes. Then after it opened here the command prompt. Then after it opened the command prompt, here I have CMD codes that will help to remove or reset these IP data that are over on my computer, which also distracts Google Chrome to work perfectly. So here I copy the first line of the CMD code, and I will paste it here and click enter. So it starts resetting. As you can see here, successful reset the WinSocket catalog, and you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. But let us finish all the codes, then finally we will restart the computer. Then select the next line of code and copy, and then paste on the CMD. Here on the CMD I'll paste it and enter. Then it resetted everything related with the IP. Let's go to the third one, copy, then paste, then enter. Same goes for this one, and let's go to on the first one, which is ipconfig renew. Then it will renew. So its window IP configuration is done, and all the data that are making busy are removed. And finally, which is the fifth one, which is flushing the DNS, will be implemented on the CMD, and then successfully flush the DNS resolver caches, or like the temporary files are removed. Then after you did all these things, restart your computer, and I'll put all this CMD command codes on the description box, so you can copy paste on your CMD and you can remove all those unnecessary IP or DNS caches from your computer, and it will help to make your Google Chrome more faster. So after we did this, the CMD thing, then finally we will restart our computer. Now let's see what would be the problem related with the Google Chrome software. So here I opened the Google Chrome on my computer. So let's go to here on the three dots of the Google Chrome. Here select these three dots and go to here setting. Yes, here it opened the setting section on my computer. So after the setting, then select here advanced. I think it's visible, advanced. So after advanced opened, here you will find reset and cleanup. So the reset and cleanup will help to remove those unnecessary files that are making your Google Chrome slower and slower day after day. So here we found here restore settings to their original default. So as you can see here, reset setting. So it's explaining bookmarks, histories, and saved passwords won't be, they are not affected, or they will not be deleted, but it will remove other data that are making your computer or Google Chrome busy. So select here reset settings, then it will start resetting Google Chrome, and as you can see, it finished the section of resetting. And the other solution for Google Chrome, which is in order to improve the speed, is again we will go to here the three dots, select the three dots, then go to more tools here, and you will find here extensions. So open extensions, and here I have different extensions on the Google Chrome. But if you are seeing that an extension which is not installed by yourself, or maybe the browser downloads and it will give an extension to your computer, then remove those unnecessary extensions. For example, if you don't want this extension, then you can click this one and turn off, or you can select remove, which is from the Google Chrome section, because all the extensions makes your Google Chrome more busy, and it will make him slow in performing the activity that you want. So these are the four solutions, or the four basic things that will help you stop your Google Chrome browser working slower and slower. So this is all about today's video, and if you are interested on my videos, you can subscribe, like, and comment.